Ayan, oh, second time. Hi guys. Happy Sunday. So, it's church time. Once again. Church time. We're natin. So, we have people today. Say hi to my vlog. Oh, game si baby. Thank you, baby. Ayan. Hello, what would you like to order?
What? Ang silog every all day?
Yeah, we have that. You can choose ng silog dito.
Yeah, we're just waiting for our daughter.
Ah, okay, okay. Sure. Sure. Yeah. Just tell us. Paganda pa siya. Oh, di ba sabi ko sa'yo, maganda ang camera ko. Say hi to my vlog. One of my Suki is here. So, she bought a food. Thank you for coming. Yan.
Matagal na po, 3 years na.
Kuya, say hi to my vlog.
Hi!
From Guelph. Guelph. Hello, te. From Guelph. Nag-visit sila sa amin. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, nag-upload po ako sa YouTube,
Kailan ba mapalabas
TikTok.
yan? Abangan po.
Oh, YouTube, TikTok, at saka Facebook po. Yan. Say hi. Yan.
Another extra income.
Hindi naman po kasi maliit lang. Kaya lang mas Yes. Ayan. Ayan. Oh, second timer. Thank you.
Kaya nga yung
Yes, do it, baby. Ayan. Look, binili niya. Yes. Pag kailangan nyo mag-order, nag-offer kami ng mga party trays, ha? Yeah. Oo, pag may party kayo, kami na lang magluto. Yan, tingnan mo. Hi, thank you for supporting. Supporting our business from Toyota. Yeah. So they came from Kitchener. Thank you for the visit in our store. Okay, bye.